Welcome to CodeRoid Labs, your trusted Zoho partner. Let's dive right into this explainer on evolving CRM data.
How does marketing spend impact renewals? Let's explore when standard CRM reporting actually hits a wall.
Zoho CRM is super powerful. For sales teams checking pipelines or running daily stand-ups, it's the perfect toolkit. But eventually, your growing company will ask complex questions that completely outgrow the CRM's native reporting limits. Suddenly, your CEO needs to see that sales pipeline seamlessly blended with your external billing data. And marketing, they want to track which specific campaigns drove real revenue factored against actual ad spend.
Meanwhile, finance needs a forecast that factors in product usage signals and upcoming customer renewals.
The crucial point here, these are complex business questions that just happen to include CRM data. So you get this parallel evolution. CRM is for active selling, analytics is for deeper business intelligence.
But how do you know you're ready? Well, here are 3 key signals it's time to evolve.
Signal 1, your CRM is great, but it simply can't reach your separate billing or ad platforms.
Zoho Analytics actually connects to over 250 external sources to blend everything seamlessly.
Signal 2, you need deeper analysis, like finding exactly where deals stall by specific product lines.
Things like cohort analysis, custom BI formulas, and SQL access literally require a dedicated platform to process.
Signal 3, your CFO, ops lead, and the board probably don't have active CRM seats, right?
Analytics lets you easily share and embed dashboards. Same exact data, right people, literally 0 extra logins.
Still kind of unsure? Here's a brilliant little cheat sheet to help you quickly decide.
This matrix is your roadmap. Standard forecasting stays in CRM, while deep, blended analysis graduates to analytics.
So, transitioning isn't a failure of your CRM setup. It's a hugely positive evolution of your business. Are your reports driving growth or just summarizing the past? Time to unlock your next layer, guys.